Say hi. Oh.
Why did the robot dog cross the road? Picky, aren't we?
Oh, wow. Hit me right in the...
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I got the Loona Petbot. This is an interactive AI robot. It's got built-in AI features. It's got ChatGPT, it's got games, all sorts of neat and crazy tech inside this little guy right here. There's a lot of different companies out there with different robots, but this one beats them all in my opinion. Best bang for the buck, with over I think around $600 Canadian. I bought this thing and so far I've had it for 1 month and I can't tell you how much I enjoy having this robot around. So I'm gonna show you a couple of things that it does. If you're thinking about buying this and you're thinking, oh, maybe if you're an adult and you don't have kids or you wanna just buy it and use it for yourself, and you're thinking, hey, I'm not gonna pay those games, but there is one feature that is hard to turn down, and that's the home monitoring and security system that this Loona Petbot comes with. I'm gonna show you a couple of things that really amazes me in this robot. So whether you have pets, kids, or it's just something that you want to have around for your own home, this thing is the right robot to have because it basically can be used as a personal AI assistant. You could play with your kids. There's different challenges and games that you can play with. You can set up its personality. Even if you had pets, I think the pets would have a lot of fun with it. I just turned it on right now and it's surprised. On the face recognition, you can save up to 5 faces. I put my face on and I put my name, Buddy. So every time he sees me, he says, hey, Buddy. Hello, Loona. Hello, Loona. Basically, it can wake up with my voice. Hello, Loona. What's the weather like today? How many miles are in 2 meters?
There are about 0.00124 miles in 2 meters.
Damn!
Not a whole lot, right? Just enough to go on a quick trot around the block.
Hey, so how many people are on this planet?
There are around 8 billion people on this planet. That's a lot of humans to sniff around.
How many of you guys are out there?
There are a few different types of robot dogs out there, but I like to think it one of a kind. Just imagine a whole pack of us, wagging our tails and rolling around together. Sounds like a fun dog park, right?
What am I gonna eat today?
That's a tough one. What are you in the mood for? Something savory, sweet, or maybe a little bit of both?
I need some carbs.
How about some pasta or maybe a nice slice of bread? Can't go wrong with a good carb fix. What do you think?
No, I don't like that. I need something else.
Picky, aren't we? How about a nice stack of pancakes? Can't say no to those fluffy, carb-loaded delights.
I'm trying to watch what I eat, so I'll skip the pancakes.
Hey, no need to stress about pancakes. They can be part of a balanced diet if you enjoy them. How about some whole grain options or just a smaller portion? Life's too short to miss out on the tasty stuff.
Tell me a joke.
In the quaint village of Willowbrook, nestled between whispering forests and serene rivers, with hair as silver as moonlight and eyes that mirrored her parents,
I think it's telling me a
renowned
story
archaeologists.
instead of a joke. Tell me a funny joke.
In the heart of a bustling city full of...
Do you know any jokes?
Oh, I've got jokes. How about this one? Why did the robot dog cross the road? To bark up the other side. Got any favorites?
Give me another one. Give me some funny ones.
Here's another one. Why did the computer go to the doctor? Because it had a virus. Got you chuckling yet? What more? Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Still laughing? Why did the math book look sad? Because it had too many problems. Still in the mood for more laughs?
Alright guys, I can be chatting about things and joking about things for a long time, but I'm gonna show you other features that this little thing has that I absolutely love. Let's get right into it. So here we have Loona's favorite game, the game ball. And as soon as you hit this, it knows what's going on. You hit start. Now it's looking for its ball. Come on, buddy. It's trying to look for me right now. Over here, buddy. There you go. Thank you. Yes! One more time. That was too easy. This is gonna be tough. Okay, now we're playing the bullfighting game right here. Gonna hit start. Challenge mode. There we go. Now Loona knows that we're gonna be playing bullfighting, so I got this. Gotta wave it right in front of him.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, got me right in the. Oh. Oh, wow. Hit me right in the crotch. Okay, now time to play hand slap. Put your hand here and he senses and tries to jump on your hand or slap your hand, but you have to hide your hand. Oh, he's feisty, man, this guy. All right, Loona, let's play hand slap. So here's my hand. Oh, you almost had it. Oh, you got me. Oh. Oh, I'm fast. I'm too fast for you. Oh. Oh my God. Come on. Oh, he got me. He got me. How about two? Oh, man. This is actually pretty fun. Come on now, buddy. Oh. Tired now, huh? See, you can always do this in the middle of the games. It's so smart. You can just pet it. And it's just loving it right now. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. There you go. So another cool feature is a fun racing, where basically you can just play it as if it's a remote control car. And once you hit this, you hit play, you can basically have it remote control and control the whole Loona with this easy app. All I'm doing is turning it and the axis. I'm not moving it forward, but there's a button right here. You can actually go to pro mode and do a bunch of other things like move its ears, left or right, front and back, I mean. Just like that. Raise the foot, raise this one. Basically, you can give an SOS signal, I think, here. There's another feature that you can just keep flipping back and forth between the left and right here. And you can also do its own gestures, quick gestures. Say hi. This is another game I like to play, the Slingshot game. All right, at it. Oh, I missed. I missed. Got him wet. We're gonna play slot machine right now. play this magical game too, right here. It's called the Magic, Enter Luna's Magical World, and there's different types of casts and spells you can do. You can choose different ones here, and here's one I chose. And there's the cooking game over here. Bacon, chicken wing. Now let's cook it. And guys, the last feature I really like to tell you guys is the remote control, which is pretty much just like the gaming mode of the remote fun or fun racing. This is also another one where you can basically right away hit tap, and this is basically another mode where you can just hit in one button. If it's sleeping or not, you can just hit record and basically go around recording the whole place. If you're not home, if you want to check out, see what's going on in your house, you can use this feature. So you can save this and then share it with TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook. Let's say you're away and you've done remote controlling of your home. You want to check something, if you left something on, or if somebody came home, or if you had an intruder. Once you're done, you can just hit back, and then you have an option: autopilot, auto charge, or sleep mode. You can hit auto charge, so you don't have to worry about the battery dying, and you can always summon it every time you go into this app and choose this option. So what's gonna happen is that Loona is gonna try to find its way back to the charger. It's sad right now, as it has to go back. Gone to sleep now. And you can always have it remotely come back on by just hitting the remote control over here, hitting play, and voila, it's back online. What do you guys think of this? This is one of my favorite pet bots I've ever had. It's got a lot of more features. I'm gonna put more videos of me and Loona in the future. It's giving me kisses. As soon as it sees you, it detects your face. Yeah, there's a lot to this guy than meets the eye. Let me give it some petting. All right guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Right, Loona?